1, 2! Magandang tanghali po sa inyo lahat. Ako po siya.
He's so much cooler than me. What's up, man?
Can you try? Try it.
Check, 1, 2. I'm amazing, guys. I gotta say, I got a chance to see Abra at Malasimbo. He was fire on stage. Like, I don't know where you get a chance to breathe in the middle of that rapping. It's so fast, it's so added. It was just amazing, guys. So, Abra, thank you so much, man, for being up here with us.
Abra, meron kayong mga question. Ano na sa tingin mo yung situation ngayon ng rap? Gano'n na siya lumaki dito sa Pilipinas. And this 2015, ano sa tingin mo mangyayari sa rap industry?
Well, the situation ngayon ng rapper, ng hip-hop industry is, it's evolving. Parang talagang makikita mo yung change sa structure tsaka kung paano magsulat yung mga artists in the hip-hop and the rap realm. Like from before, from the old school vibe na medyo talagang naka-ano sa metro, hanggang sa ngayon, yung mga style naman ng mga artists, mas intricate yung lyricism nila, na-integrate sila ng mga internals, marami pang iba. So nag-evolve yung music, yung beat, yung instrument, at saka yung lyrics, yung style, at saka yung mga napapanahon ng mga tema.
Alright, man.
Thank you. Did you understand?
I understood.
Oh, should I speak
25? No, don't worry about it, man. They're more powerful than me. Next question, man. How does it feel to be a part of MTV Music Evolution this year?
It feels good. Real good. I'm very thrilled to have the opportunity to work with MTV because they really cater to the popular youth culture, and I don't know, I'm just really excited to be in front of all the screaming fans, all the energy, distribution all around from the artists to the fans, and the fans to the artists. So it's going to be real fun. It's going to be a really memorable experience.
I wish I could talk like
He's
you.
rapping already.
Okay guys, it's your turn. Pero kanya na magtanong kay Abra, hindi ko kaya. Hindi ko kaya. Guys, we're opening the floor now for Abra. So if you guys have any questions, let us sit down.
Yeah, Abra, take a seat, bro.
Take a seat. Take a seat.
Opening it up to you guys, I understand we have some questions from the media. Where are we going first? I believe there's a roaming mic. Yes. Also, remind us as well your name and...
Miss Maan.
Great.
I guess my question would be, what would be the implication for you as an artist and for the other local artists to be part of the MTV Evolution?
Parang we've been dreaming of this moment since we began rapping, writing, and now it came to a point now this kind of opportunities just come knocking on your door. So it's really inspiring, and it's really like, wow, the stars have aligned for us, and what are we gonna do now? So it's just a matter of doing what you can at the moment and making sure that you do your best and staying hungry, para the people can feel that you're really into this shit.
You can say shit, bro. It's cool.
Yeah?
Yes, say it.
We said it with you,
We
so
said
it's
that.
all our fault.
Alright. I'm not at fault.
Blame me, Mark. It's my fault. Alright, next
Do you have
question.
another
guys.
question?
Hi guys, my name is Nicky from Manila Standard. My question is, Abra, your career and your humble beginnings inspire a lot of upcoming
Not
artists.
so humble.
Alright then. We would like to know, who do you look up to in hip-hop realm?
Number one, syempre si Francis M.
Simon will want to present.
Syempre, gisang hari ng rap. Si Sir Glock 9, siya yung nag-inspire sa akin na maging rapper. Tapos, si Looney tsaka si Ron Hendy ng Stick Figures, underground pa lang sila. Pakinggan ko na sila. Gusto na pakinggan ko yun. Basta napakinggan ko yung mga taong yun, doon ako parang, oh fuck man, ang galing ng rap. Ba't yung tinatawag na ba yung hip-hop? Ba't yung tinatawag na ba yung rap? Sobrang ganda, sobrang galing at sobrang inspirational.
Yeah, so you see how he holds his microphone?
How?
All the way up here.
Okay, we should do that.
This is how you do
Do
it.
we have another? I love your answer though. Ganda nun. Talagang, a lot of people are judgy about rap, lalo na before. Parang it wasn't really, lalo na before, it wasn't really very welcome until nga Sir Kiko brought it in talaga and inspired so many talented artists like you who have it in yourself. Anyway, the next question is not from me. Another question from anyone?
Right here.
Hi, I'm Rocky from Idols Manila.
Rocky.
My question is, where do you think the Philippine hip-hop scene is heading?
Outside the Philippines.
There go. That's why we're here.
So I think we have one more last question.
Hi, I'm Janine from Inquirer.net. My question is, now that you're about to share the stage with the world, what do you think separates the Philippine hip-hop music from, what the world has?
What separates
The Philippine hip-hop music from the rest of the world.
Well, in the world of hip-hop, anything goes. That's why, kasi maraming elements yan sa mundo ng hip-hop. Besides rapping or MCing, there's breakdancing, graffiti art, and DJing. And within every element, makikita mo na para siyang warrior sport. Like the people inside, yung mga hip-hop enthusiasts, yung mga nagpa-practice ng elements nila, meron silang healthy competition within themselves. Kahit na nakikita mo na nagbabangayan sila, nagmumurahan, nakala ng todo personalan. Ito naman kayo. Pero ganyan talaga po, kasi sa hip-hop, talagang pasiklaban, kailangan mo pakita na talagang mas magaling ka doon sa isa, at yung ginagawa mo, tatagalin at tatagal. Dahil, ganun sa mundo na to At maganda siya dahil itong mga tao na passionate lang sa art nila, na hindi naman talaga naghahanap ng, ay gagawin ko to para kumita ako. Iba na yun, mga aspeto na yun. Itong ginagawa namin, lahat for the love. Nagkataon lang na pag may blessings na lang yung mga dumarating dahil ginagawa namin to from the heart.
Alright guys, we have one last question coming right here down the middle.
Hi Abra, I'm Karen from Just.ph. Tanong ko lang, kasi parang sa Philippines, medyo yung, I don't know if this is true for you, but the focus is sort of kind of on the rock scene. Parang it's always about bands, iba yun yung mga, uso or whatever. So do you think this is what does this say about the hip-hop scene, that you're finally being recognized by MTV? What is how are you guys taking it in the hip-hop scene, that finally you guys are being represented by such a huge global brand?
It's about time. Once again, it's about time. And, well, ako wala naman sa akin yung genre. Kasi ako lumaki ako sa Pinoy rock bago ako ma-influence ng rap, ng local rap. So, nakakatuwa dahil makikita mo yung evolution ng hip-hop from walang hip-hop to nagkaroon ng golden age, umulusok, na criticize, nagkaroon ng downward spiral. Ngayon, lumilipad na ulit. Kaya, very exciting and maganda kayo lahat.
Yes. One more question.
Oh, yeah.
Around.
Yeah, what's up, Pilipinas? What's up, guys? I'm from What's Up, Pilipinas.